Welcome to Cooking with Dr. V. And this is a very unique experience for me because I've never done anything like this before. But I was inspired to do this by this lovely lady next to me, Jenna, who is a medical student that did a rotation with me and her very dear friend and another amazing medical student, Rashid, who are very good friends, right? You guys are besties?
Of course.
And Jenna brought me this phenomenal oatmeal bowl. And when I started talking to her about her history and the oatmeal bowl, which tasted phenomenal, she had this really great story. So we're going to talk and cook at the same time. So introduce yourselves to everyone out there who's watching.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Victory, for having me on this show. So my name is Jenna. I'm a third-year medical student, and I rotated with Dr. Victory back in my first rotation of clerkship.
Which was amazing.
Which was
amazing.
Yeah, and he found out about my oatmeal page called Jenna's Bowl. I'm very excited to be here today to talk all about it and why I'm a big fan of oatmeal.
And Rashid, how about you?
I'm Rashid. I'm also a third-year medical student. I'm currently rotating at OB-GYN with Dr. Victory as one of my preceptors. I'm here because I'm Jenna's fan and also her. I love her oatmeal bowl. She brought me one in class like a while ago in first year, and I've been a fan ever since. So I'm here to support the making of this and support the team.
And you want to do what when you graduate from medical school?
Probably OB-GYN.
And you want to do?
I'm unfortunately not going the OB-GYN route. I'm liking Emerge so far, so.
Huge fail. Okay, so what's the first step? Where do we start with?
All right, so I typically I always do half a cup of oatmeal for a full cup of water. And then we're going to add, so since it's 2 servings, we're going to do 2 cups of water. So for every half cup of oatmeal, you add 1 cup of water.
All right.
So you can hear it cooking. So we're going to mix it up. And then I typically like to add frozen fruits to this as I'm making it. I didn't get any frozen fruits, but that's okay. So you're just going to mix it.
So you put the frozen fruit right into the mix.
Right. Yeah, and I like it because it kind of melts into it. And the color changes to like a purple color, depending on what you're putting in. I usually like to put blueberries, strawberries.
How do you know when it's done?
So yeah, that's a really good question. A lot of my friends ask me about that because they try to make it and then they don't get the right consistency. So the way I like to put it is that once you start kind of like if you turn the bowl or like the saucepan around and the oatmeal is sliding off the edges pretty easily, that's when you know it's almost done.
And then you have an endometriosis bowl. So you're putting things like cinnamon in there for antioxidants. There's some probiotic granola, which is great because we know patients with endo have messed up microbiomes. So that's really great. And then you have a fertility supportive bowl as well. So that's got flax seeds, possibly walnuts, pumpkin seeds, berries, which are great for antioxidants. One of my colleagues eats like a whole entire pile of blueberries every time we go skiing together, which is hilarious. Again, some cinnamon, and we got dates. And a lot of people don't know this, but we did a video on using dates for pregnancy. And there's actually some evidence that dates are really great for women who are trying to get into labor, and it benefits pregnant women. So you can use dates for all sorts of things. And I guess it's a great source of natural carbs.
Cooked pretty well. So let's just start pouring it into the bowls. And we're going to be splitting this up into 2.
How come you got like the cute Jenna bowl and I didn't get a cute Jenna bowl?
Oh, yeah. My friend gifted that to me years ago, and that's kind of what inspired the name of my Instagram.
Of your Instagram page?
Yeah.
That's a great story. That's cute.
Yeah. And that bowl is featured on a lot of my posts on that page.
Oh, very nice. That's where they're all at?
Yeah. But unfortunately, I haven't been posting much on it. But there are a lot of recipes on there if anyone is looking to.
And the one you made me had blueberries in it, if I remember correctly.
Yeah. I think those ones. Oh, yes. Those ones were, I think, the frozen blueberries.
Frozen blueberry?
So it kind of changed the color of.
Yeah, it was like a purpley blue color for sure. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we've got it loaded relatively evenly into our bowls. So what's the next step? Now we put our toppings on?
Yep. So it's time for the toppings.
Okay. So like what's some healthy toppings if we just want to go healthy?
Yeah. So all right, let's bring these toppings up here now.
Yeah.
So we have, chocolate chips I know are not the healthiest, but I usually like to put a little bit of a sweet taste into it just so that
Okay, I'm good with that because I brought chocolate almonds, so you can put more chocolate almonds in there.
You can put your own chocolate almonds in your own bowl.
Yeah, in fact, I brought lots of chocolate almonds. There we go. I'm all ready. Can I have chocolate almonds in my oatmeal? Not the best choice?
Sure, if you want, but I think these chocolate chips are better.
These are better?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. All right.
And so I have hemp seeds.
Hemp, like I'm going to get high when I eat this, or it's okay? No?
No.
Good? No? Okay.
No.
Okay.
Walnuts.
Yeah.
And then granola that has some almonds and other ingredients in it. And it's a probiotic granola.
Oh, I didn't even know they made probiotics. So it's a probiotic almond granola. And it gives you like that little bit of crunch with your oatmeal.
Yeah. So
isn't that like cheating? Like you're doubling kind of oatmeal-ish stuff? Or?
A little. It does have a little bit of oatmeal in there, but I think it adds to the taste and to the nutritious aspect of it. And so I also brought some bananas.
Excellent.
And perhaps we can start cutting.
These bananas look like they've been abused.
I think when a banana looks like that, it's the best to eat.
Now we're going to see Ruksheed's surgical skills. So this is actually a test of whether or not we let her into OBGYN. Yeah. Let's see how good you are with the banana chopping skill. Yeah. Let's decorate. Okay. Show me how you decorate, because yours look like amazing on your channel. And if anyone hasn't seen her channel already, you got to look at her Instagram page, because the bowls are like meticulous. I don't know what kind of crazy high quality camera she's using, but that is some very fine technique there. I'm really appreciating this. And so, yeah, show me how you get this all lined up perfectly. I need the Jenna technique.
I'm fascinated by her surgical skills.
That's impressive, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so you can decorate your own bowl. I think mine's going to look better regardless.
Yeah, probably, yeah. I'm putting my chocolate almond in there.
Okay, sure. Whatever you want to do.
Okay, so what do I put in next?
So you can start with whatever ingredient.
Oh, I can just do my own thing.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Like decorate it as if you're...
That walnut looks like it was from hell. What happened to that walnut?
It's a cute walnut. It's a cute walnut.
Okay, so just one at a time and you just put it in there.
Pretty much.
All right.
I like to line them up in very straight lines.
In straight lines.
But you feel free to do whatever you want.
What if I go like in circles?
You can do that.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that's going to look good, but you can try.
Okay, I'm going to try circle.
You can try.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
Here,
people, you need to tell us which bowl looks better at the end, okay? Because I think I can do a better bowl than Jenna can, so.
No, I don't think so.
No?
I've trained for this.
You've trained?
I've trained.
Yeah, don't forget, I still have to score you for your evaluation before you decide which one of us is making a better bowl.
That is terrible.
Yeah. I'm not saying I'm not going to give you the mark you deserve. I'm just saying, take it into consideration. Okay, so what's next? Now I got my almonds in there, and my almonds are good for my omega-3s, right? Don't forget, people, great omega-3 source, your almonds. All right, and then some granola. Okay, go ahead. You take that.
I'll take the chocolate chips.
Okay. Oh, you're taking the chocolate.
Is this all the chocolate you're putting in your bowl?
I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I need to think about it a little bit. Don't pressure me.
Okay. So what I love about the chocolate chips, and I know it's probably not the best ingredient out of all of these here, but I love that the chocolate chips melt on the surface.
They do, right?
My favorite
part. You do it when it's hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what I love about the chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah. What if I want like a Lindor in there too? Can we put those in?
Sure. It's probably going to melt.
Can you chop that up for me too? All right. And then hemp seed. What do you do with the hemp? Do you just pour it in?
Yeah.
Mine's going to be too green and brown. It looks like I went hunting.
Some yellow bananas.
Look at this surgical skill. Wow. Okay. Yeah. And then I need to dot it with some bananas.
If your bowl looks better than mine, it's only because you're a surgeon.
Mine sadly looks like there's a nipple in the middle, but that's problematic for sure. All right, I need some bananas.
You're an OB after all.
I am an OB after all. Wrong part of the body. I'm involved with the more southern part of the physique. Okay, I'm just gonna go like here, and here. Oh, that did not work out well.
Not good.
It doesn't look good?
Not that good, but no. It's okay. It's your first time making these.
It's my first.
It's fine.
Are you going to grade me on my performance?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
So far,
reminding you about me needing to grade you.
Oh, so far, I'd say like a 4 out of 10.
How's that? That's kind of cute. It needs some color. I need some of your dark chocolate chips. How's that?
We'll put on some cinnamon.
Oh, we got cinnamon?
Put some cinnamon in a bag.
Okay.
I think I put too much on my bowl, but it's okay.
I need like a demarcation ring. See, that's the problem. I don't have enough color.
Do you want some dates?
No, I'm married. Thanks. Yeah, appreciate it though.
These dates.
Oh, that kind of date. Yeah, sure. No, that would be great.
Okay.
Yeah.
There, we'll give him.
Notice how I went straight to the I'm married part, right? Honey, I still love you. Yeah. Don't be worried about these lovely young medical students. Okay, and hang on. Let's go. Okay, where do I put my date now?
Oh, anywhere you want.
I actually think this bowl is like kind of mildly impressive.
This looks like it was made by a 5-year-old. If I'm being honest.
Okay, the date. Yeah, no, I need more dates. I'm eating the one you
Right.
named. Yeah, okay.
Those are really good. I'm a
That was
fan
good
of
dates. So there was actually, see, I don't have room for this. There was actually, yeah, I just ruined my bowl. The date killed it. I was doing so well until the
Just
date.
eat the
Okay, should we hold it up and just show everybody? And how long did that take us? Like 10 minutes?
Yeah, I think so.
Now, is it going to slide out?
I don't think so. It's pretty...
Okay, I will admit that hers looks a lot more neat and organized, but mine's more surgically perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so this took what, all of 15 minutes?
I'd say, yeah. Usually if I'm making myself a bowl in the morning before I go to my rotations, max, I think 10 minutes. Eat way.
This is really cool. Okay, we got to try eating this.
Yeah.
We got to grab a spoon. Let's grab some.
Oh, yeah, I have them right here.
Oh, you have spoons?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
There you go.
Here we go.
There you go.
Okay, T, you getting in this one? No? Okay, ready? Okay. Here we go. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh, very good.
You sure, love?
And the chocolate really, you need a little sweetness, right? Because you're not adding any sugar to the oatmeal.
And I typically add some cinnamon, frozen fruits, and that's what makes the base sweeter. Really just depending on what ingredients I have at home.
You know, the melted chocolate almond is really going to do this. I'm telling you. Here we go.
Maybe I should start adding chocolate almonds.
Oh, great. Actually, you know what? That's amazing. Chocolate goes. There, try chocolate melted almond in yours. There you go. Okay. So if people want to see how you make this bowl, aside from watching Cooking with Dr. Victory, they can go to Jenna's Bowl, JANAS Bowl on Instagram, right? And I think you should all leave amazing comments for this incredible young lady and her BFF, and especially encourage her to go into OBGYN because she's amazing. I've already got Rakshi convinced, but we need to get Jenna convinced to abandon emergency medicine. Why would you want to work low hours and get high pay when you could join us and work forever and not get paid as much?
I love Emerge.
You love Emerge.
And I think I'm too convinced. So, but thanks for trying.
I did try. Valiant effort. This is amazing. You should all try this. I still think my bowl had merit, but hers did look prettier. So we will join you guys again, hopefully in the near future, with another episode of Cooking with Dr. Victory. Have a great night, guys. Bye. This is great.